Both the FOMO think I was wrong. But you are starting to smell this reversal. I can smell the fear.
Mr. Mercy is a joke and doesn't know what he's talking about. Who's this guy? He doesn't even know how to trace a line.
Both the FOMO doesn't like my video because I'm realistic and I'm telling him to be careful. I'm telling him that we are in a dangerous zone, and he keep repeating, I don't believe this. The ego is going to the moon. The risk management is the most important things if you want to make money. But Bo the FOMO is not patient. He want to be rich now. He already pre-ordered the new electric Mustang Mach-E. But he will have to put the sound of the motor on the radio to hear vroom vroom. Because he think crypto will make him rich soon. The crypto he bought with his Visa. Elrond is a tremendous project and one of the top crypto project I ever seen in all my life. And I've been in this community in crypto land since many years now. Just ask people. Just go on TradingView. I'm posting technical analysis since a while. And very good things are happening for Elrond. You know, MAIAR exchange, ESDT, Max token. The decentralization is accelerating, which is awesome. You know, we just had many stuff added on the MAIAR wallet, which I love, and I'm opening this application every day. And but it doesn't mean that Elrond cannot retrace, and this will be so healthy. I mean, anyway, you know, now we have to be smart and cash out some those gains. Because the smart money is deciding to go on the dollar for a little bit, because Mr. Biden will increase the taxes. And that the DEF chair, Mr. Powell, is about to announce a little tiny update and of a little increase in interest. Yeah, be cool. I'm here to help. I'm not your enemy. I'm here to tell you, maybe it's time to protect your liquidity a little bit. Just a little teeny part. 10%, 20, 50, 70. When it will be going down, you will be happy to have all that money that I want. Oh, now, wow, I can buy the eGOLD for the cheap price. Because, you know, cryptocurrency is all about blah, 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 blah. You know? It's the supply, the demand, but doesn't have any real value. What? Do you think? Yeah, it does. It does. Internet have a value and it doesn't exist. I mean, I know the value of Elrond and the eGOLD because I believe in that project. And I really love the project. I really love the network. I really love the community. It's awesome. Anyway, I just want to go. It's not going to be long. Just okay. All right. Thank you. You know, I love when you ring this little bell and smash the like button. Like this referee who's calling the end of the third round. But before the next round, the intro. Yeah, welcome back. All right, let's go on the chart. Whew. Damn. Damn. I want to show you this chart because I think it's really important. And I'm repeating, if you want to make money, buy low, sell high. And for a different indicator confirmation, higher is the time frame, stronger is the confirmation. Always remember that. Now we have this beautiful rising wedge. And what are the ingredients to confirm a rising wedge? We need to have 2 touch on the upper line and 2 touch on the lower line. Also, it's a contraction, but when the price is going up and the volume is starting to going down, it is not a good sign. I'm telling you here, it is not a good sign because the volume is going down and the price is going up. And this is problematic right now. It's possible that, Bitcoin is in the same position right now. I'm going to show you BTC USDT. Let's do that. It's really important. I can draw lines with, inside my head, but I see those patterns. But sometimes they are tough to see. But this is another rising wedge for Bitcoin. Look at this, 3 touch. Ooh, this is more problematic when you have 3 touch, more dangerous a little bit because it was rejected on the roof 3 times. And also I show you 3 bearish divergence on the RSI in a row. And now we have price increasing, volume decreasing, contraction, rejection. Ooh. Risk management here, very important. And I don't know if you know, but it is really important. I'm going to take out the volume here. Usually those patterns, when the floor is not giving enough support here, because this floor is going to be retested one day. Okay, it can be soon, it can be today, it can be tomorrow, but this floor is around 145 right now.
But forget about it, Mr. Mercy. There's only 2.8 million eGOLD left on all the exchange in the world.
Okay, all right. This is the pole. You take the lowest point of the wedge and the highest point of the wedge, and you bring this pole at the breakout. But the breakout didn't happen yet. I'm going to bring this when it happens. And I can smell this here. Oh, I can smell this $75. $75. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. This will be a sum of but we will be there to buy. Yeah, Crypto Mercy is gonna be there to buy. My orders are already placed. Yeah, I have buying orders on the MA21. I told you all my, but you don't. Some people just don't listen and they don't like me. Because I'm not gonna get rich tomorrow. And they don't care about risk management. They don't care, But I'm telling you, if you buy Elrond at $40, $75 lower, if you buy Elrond at $90, maybe this is cool. I bought Ethereum on the last bear market at $40 and $80. And now it's $3,400. And, I'm not selling them. No, I'm not selling them. But if I have a confirmation, a real confirmation that the bear market is beginning, maybe I'll take some profits. Because sell high, buy low. Sell high, buy low. Sell high, buy low. Buy low, buy low. But I keep telling you, listen this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And when Bitcoin's gonna start to go down, the the HFT trade, the high frequency trading bots will sell so quickly, like we saw last April on the stock market. They are working on both sides right now, and the Dow Jones is in the market doesn't look so well. The resistance. We are testing the roof, rejection, and it's just okay because we need to retrace someday. Because if the prices are too high, you will not find that much buyers. In it's a market stage. I'm gonna show you. This is an important chart that you have to. All right. I like this chart here. I don't know if you see well. Okay. I feel by looking at Twitter that we are in this phase. Euphoria, because I just see since I'm making bearish video on Elrond, I get dislike, and people, just don't help me by pushing they don't push on the like button. They don't like my video, and the euphoria is they don't believe everyone. They don't listen to chartists and people who have experience like me. They overconfidence.
The herd continues to increase their position despite high valuation.
But when they gonna get wrecked, they're gonna feel anxious because they're gonna have to call Ford and say, "No, I'm not gonna pre-order anymore my new Mustang. I lost the half of my money." Now this is not optimism right now. It's euphoria. Anyway, you see, I know that a lot of people like this chart. Don't know where psychology of the market cycle. Where is that chart? All right. Maybe it's a bit hard to see. Well, I'm gonna try to bring this. Yeah, euphoria, right?
I am a genius. Well, going to be rich.
Cryptocurrency is a game changer. The price of Bitcoin is going up like crazy since a while, guys. I've been in the disbelief zone since a while. I was there and I was trading the last bear market. Yeah, I was there. Doesn't mean that we're not gonna go in a super cycle, but now we need some people need to get back on their feet. They need to get back on their feet right now. And you can, maybe you don't like me. I don't know. The crypto mercy. You heard about this guy? It's a clown. Yeah. Oh yeah, I know. I'm a clown. I'm a clown. But just want to show you this again. Very important. Huge bearish divergence for Elrond. This is not good. Price higher, price lower. RSI, when the price was lower, RSI is going down. That's a bearish divergence, which means wave 5 cycle is over. Doesn't mean we cannot retest the top of this wedge, but now with the actual Bitcoin situation, I'm not sure and the resistance here of Elrond. I showed you yesterday the circle fibs, resistance fibs. It will be very hard to go over that. I'm gonna get out of this logarithmic mode. Okay, some people asking me, can you show me how to place this Fibonacci? Okay, to place the Fibonacci, you have to find the top, the last top, okay? You will click one time, and you bring your mouse down to the last bottom, which is right there, you see? And now you can see the resistance and the support. You see how this 0.382 was a support here. They struggle a little bit with the 0.5. They grab the trend line, the bottom line, the lower line of the wedge. They use it as a support, and the golden fib has already been tested. Anyway, it was rejected strongly. Swing traders are afraid now to go back there in that zone. They don't want to risk their money with the Bitcoin situation. You see, they don't even try to test again this golden fib. This is huge resistance. And like I'm telling you, this usually after a leg up like this and a pull down, there is an ABC wave retracement. Most of the retracement are zigzag, bearish zigzag, and the A wave always start with what we call it bearish impulsive and 5 waves down. And now I'm only seeing, I'm gonna come back to show you this, but I'm only seeing 4 wave now. We need to make the 5th wave 5 for this A wave. I don't think this A wave is done yet, but even if it is, usually this is a very great spot to retrace and create a B wave, the top of the B wave. This is usually the B wave. It will stop most of the time at 0.85 or the golden fib, but sometimes it happens the B wave will stop there. Sometimes at the 0.786 or the 0.726. But this is on the most case 0.618 used to when the trend is strong, very strong, and Bitcoin is pushing. But even Bitcoin push a little the last days, and Elrond had a struggle because Elrond has this huge fib resistance and is just under the golden fib. And if the A wave is done, maybe this is the B wave, but I have some problem to believe in this because it seems to be like a 4th wave, those kind of triangle, and at the same time, if we can see this pretty easily, it's forming a bearish flag. It's a bear flag. The pole from here to here, and it's okay. For education, usually when you see a bull flag, it's gonna do something like this. It's gonna do something like this, and this is your pole. And you bring the pole at the lowest point. This is the bottom of the pole is the breakout point. And you will bring this pole, and the top of the pole is the highest point, where the price raise the top price, the last high. And you find the price will do this kind of pattern. I'm gonna show you. Whoops. The price is going like this, inside the the bull flag. And you find the lowest point of the bull flag, and this is giving you an optimal target, most probable target for the breakout of this bull flag. But the inverse is a bear flag, which is the inverse like this. And you have this kind of pattern like that. Okay, it's reverse. It's like it's a bearish flag is it's a bull flag, but on the other side. This is very simple. And all right, like this, and the price is going inside this, like that. Okay. When you see a rising wedge or bearish pattern like bear flag, they are doing this kind of pattern like we are seeing on Bitcoin and Elrond. Okay, and the price is swinging in between those lines. It's a contraction, and the price cannot go higher than the roof line, and can usually you will see two touch on the like this and on the top and two touch on the bottom, and you will take your pole here to here. I'm gonna put it in blue, and at the breakdown, if the support is not strong, you will have your breakout, and this will be your buying point, the next stop, the next support. I'd say they're revealing you everything. They're telling you everything. I mean, it's pretty easy, but yesterday, 2 days ago, I didn't talk about this small bull flag because I knew that it will be dangerous to show you this because.
Oh my God, Mr. Mercy is telling us that it's possible going higher. I'm going to buy it right now.
But you know what's risk management? With risk management, I'm not, a better high. My members know better hide sometimes, different stuff to protect people. But leave me a comment if you would like me to follow the game, and you would like to fast swing and swing trade. I can show you in giving you different tricks and tips, or if you would like, leave me a comment. And if you like those education things, let me know too. Also, we have the bull flag, we have the bear flag, we have the rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern, but you have also the falling wedge, which is like this, okay, and it's the inverse, falling wedge like that, okay, and the price is going in between those lines, the higher lines, the roof and the floor, and you can swing that sometimes, and you have the pole like this, and at the breakout it will give you but my falling wedge is pretty small, but sometimes they are open. Okay, and the pole are much longer, and if the breakout happen here, you see, or here, or and all right. Hope you understand. I'm doing this because some people wrote me and told me, will it be possible for you to show us how to use the Fibonacci, or can you explain a little bit more those kind of pattern? No problem. No problem. We'll try. If you have any comments or suggestion, I'm really open. I sound like a clown, but I appreciate all your comments and everything. Anyway, right now we are testing the this support line. be careful. We'll see if this support will be there. For sure, there are a lot of people who are putting orders there, but if Bitcoins continue to go down and continue to push down, then he wants to retest this support line right there. Next target probably for Bitcoin, it's around $50,000. You will stop for sure at 52, but after that it's 50. And if the floor is not giving support, watch out. Next up will be right on the support, right there at 41, 42. Okay, and it's possible that they tried to push to test a little bit more the structure, the left shoulder here, because it is an head and shoulder. Maybe you don't see it, but it's a huge head and shoulder, and it's the structure. It doesn't look good right now for Bitcoin. I'm just revealing you the truth, and also a lot of people told me,
we had this kind of double topper in the past with Bitcoin, and
yeah, but I present you a video to show you why this one was more dangerous, because we didn't have any double top since when? Since when? That's double top right here, September 2020. It's the first monthly double top we are having since September 2020. And I explain you on a recent video. I'm going to show you, but you must watch this video. Pretty cool. You will learn a lot too. Video. Which one is it? This one right here. Bitcoin warning, technical analysis. This video will open your eyes on the difference on the double top that we had and the one we just had. The difference is major difference. And I knew, and I told you, if you're a member of my, you subscribe to my channel, I told you to take some profit here. Don't tell me that I didn't told you. I'm still saying this to my friends and everyone around since almost 3 weeks. Be careful. We have a lot of indication that Bitcoin is going down. Needs to retrace. Is it the end of the bull market? I don't know yet. But the pi cycle indicator, which is a cross of the moving average 350 and the moving average 111, 111 happen, and the pi cycle called the end of the bull market, but doesn't mean that it's the end of the bull market. I think we just need now to refresh. The RSI is on top. Overbought territory. Too much. This is the first time it happens in the Bitcoin history, and that was a good run. Just give some breather to the Bitcoin. And after that, wow, you will get shopping days. You will get many opportunities to buy different altcoins and get in and swing trade those altcoins, and you will be able to buy this Mustang, electric Mustang. If you want it. Okay, look at all those double top, almost 2 double top in a row now. This is a double bottom forming right now, but look at the rejection. The top of the body is rejecting. There's too much resistance for Bitcoin right here. Resistance there. 2W close are creating so huge resistance. This is resistance. This is support for now because the price is over. This is support. And this is support. And if we go on the weekly, We can see a clearer view here, support here. You have a small support right there too at 20K. Not so small because it was the end of the bull market in 2017 was 20K. And we have this top that is providing support and this top that is providing support because when price is going over resistance, resistance becomes support. Okay, like here, this was resistance, rejection, but it became support. And this is like this bunch of stuff here are creating resistance over, and maybe one day we don't know, but this can be like we're might starting to form what is going to be the support of the next bear market. We don't know yet if Bitcoin is going to 100K in September or October. This is possible that we are just forming what is going to be the next bear market support. The structure is working. There's something's going on in that zone right now, for sure, because it's the 161.8 on the logarithmic chart. This is a breaking point because it's the top probable target for a wave 3. Top probable target for a wave 3 on Elliott waves, and a lot of swing traders know that they just get out, and if it goes over the 161.8, we confirm this as a support. They will get back in, but they don't want to risk their money right now. That's a huge resistance. Yeah, they're gonna wait. They're not stupid. All right, for Elrond, same stuff. Just gonna make a copy of this. Let's erase this monthly chart. Look, on the monthly chart, we are starting to form a double top here for Elrond. 2 weekly chart, we add this double top. This candle is not closed yet, but the last trend indicator is a double top. This was confirming close on the 2W. This is dangerous. Yes, we retrace a lot already. 126, they pushed the price down, and we confirm we had not confirmed yet this double bottom, but for now, this is support right here at 154. And this is a support at 149, which means we're going to have some support there. But if Bitcoin is breaking, be sure that they're going to try, if Bitcoin is testing his moving average 21 on the weekly, be sure that Elrond's going to do the same. And this moving average 21 is right here at 118, and this is just harmonic. I mean, you need to do that. You need to grab the liquidity on those moving average. And I'm gonna split the screen for you right now. BTC USDT. Let's see. I want to check where is that moving average for on the weekly for the Bitcoin. And you see this is not good on the weekly. Now we are having a bearish cross of the moving average 7 and 9. And if you ask Jim Cramer, he will get out at this kind of cross. He really like playing the game with moving average 7 and 9. And this is a bearish cross now, and it's been clean since a while. Moving average 7 over moving average 9. And now we add a bearish cross. We just had a bearish cross, which Bitcoin for sure will go there. This is my top target for now. Moving, I just want to be sure that I'm moving average 21 is 20, this one, sorry. And want to be sure for Elrond too, 20, okay. Elrond, I'm okay. 118, and for the Bitcoin, first test 46,000, almost 200. Okay, moving average are slow, much slower than the exponential moving average, but they have less noise. It's why swing traders and expert chartists love those moving average, because they're lower, they're slower, and they don't react with a little pump, or they will not react too aggressively on those kind of fake out. The less noise. That's why I really like those moving average. And if the moving average 21 is not giving support, you will have the moving average 50 at 26. But for sure, we will have to pass the daily moving average before that. And you see we are having support right now at 51,640, which will be a very nice things to retest. And 37,000 moving average 100, I think so, in white. Let's see, in white, moving average, no, moving average 200 on the daily. And if we are taking a look for Elrond, wow, damn, we are about to make a bearish cross with this moving average 21 right here. This is not looking so good. But the moving average 9 is giving support right now. But next up, if the moving average 9 and this moving average 21 bearish cross happen, 169 will be the next target. 169. After that, you're going to have 146 and 82. But for sure, there are moving average on higher time frame that you need to catch, like those weekly higher the time frame. You see, what we are making right now on the weekly is what we call a gravestone. If it closes Sunday like this, get out. Telling you, just get out, just sell, try to sell everything, this is a gravestone. This is the worst. This is the worst candle close you can get, because this is all rejection and small buyers on the support zone. But the body over the gravestone. That's a call right here, and we are now forming a double top right there. Oof, it's dangerous. Anyway, hope this help. I can show you two another things that you can put in your chart that is really cool, because it can be the Bollinger Band or the Dungeon channel. For me, Dungeon channel is more accurate. You want to be sure to have the moving average 21 in the middle right here. Okay. This is a ping pong game always. If I show you right here on the daily, I'm just gonna close this for the Bitcoin for a moment. Here, it's a ping pong game in between the channel. You see, we already test the top of the channel, and we test the bottom of the channel, and now we are still under the moving average 21, which is dangerous. And it doesn't mean that we're not gonna go test the top, because we didn't yet. But one very important thing that you need to check with the Bollinger Band, which I use a lot for that, you need to check the gravity of the Bollinger Band. The gravity. What I mean by gravity is when this, gonna use an arrow if I can, yeah. When you see the Bollinger Bands going down like this is putting much resistance, and it becomes very hard for the price to go over the moving average 21 on the midline. It's why it's sometimes rejected. And when the Bollinger Band is like this, it's less problematic because it's easier to pass and test the top. But you know, we are starting to make a new low, and this is an indication of the trend too. Trend indicator, strong trend indicator. Now on the 4 hours, what we see is more what I call an accumulation period, accumulation zone. You know, Bollinger Band is straight, but this is on a lower time frame, and higher the time frame you go, and stronger the confirmation is. And now if you take a look, the Bollinger Band, the upper band is starting to give much resistance. Yes, it's possible we test 218 with a wick and whoop, but now the midline is going down, the upper line is going down. This is more like an accumulation zone. You see the Bollinger Band is flat, straight, like this. And usually during those period, we go test the top, we go test the bottom, and we swing, we accumulating. Okay, but when you are starting to see the top of the bands going down, the gravity is changing, and that's changing the trend. Like you see here, we add a perfect view of this. This was just before the spring. The spring, I'm calling this a spring because you need to, if you want to know what it is, a spring, just read about Wyckoff method and phases. Those are also accumulation zone, okay, right here, and little breakout. See breakout here too. Okay, they create bull flag, and those are hey, y a-t-il quelqu'un qui peut aller répondre à la porte? Those are just before the spark. But now, you know, we have to be careful. It doesn't, I don't think we are in this pattern. We are not on the weekly chart. Elrond is looking pretty good right now. But we need to retest this midline right here. It's why 122 is a great spot to buy some, to place an order, because it will be retest. But if Bitcoin continue to go lower, you're gonna have to be careful. And maybe now Elrond is pretty new. It's why we have to play Elrond on a lower time frame. It's more easy to see. Now we are seeing this upper bands starting to go on the 5-day go down. It means it becomes much more tougher to create a new high when this band is going down. It creates resistance and opposite resistance, and it's getting harder. This mid band has been tested 1 time, 2 times, but now swing traders are starting to be afraid of this turnout. Anyway, on the 4-day, it looks more like an accumulation zone, but this zone, this bottom of the band, becomes a nice place to put some buy orders, because on the 4-day, because it didn't, it was not tested yet, and on the lower time frame too, like 3 days, you see 106 become a nice place to put some orders. It's going to be tested. 128 is going to be tested. It was tested here. We test the upper band. We test the midline. And possible we come back on 132. On the daily, we are starting to see the gravity starting to change on the downside. And it's not the case because on the bottom, the lower band, it's not the case because it has not been tested already. But when you are starting to see the middle line and the upper band going down on the daily, it's a trend reversal. It means that resistance is a little bit too strong for now, and that the trend is starting to change. And the RSI, we can see on the RSI is going is pointing down. Okay. Anyway, that's enough for today. I have other stuff to do, but hope you like. Thanks for being here with me. Hope was a great learning episode for you. I wish you the best of the best. I really appreciate that you are supporting the channel. I wish you the best. I'm not a clown, but I like to laugh a little bit and make some jokes. I like to watch myself in the mirror.